Hello everyone, today I want to talk about English. Are you ready? I learn English because it is an international language. Many people around the world use English to communicate, study, and work. When I know English, I can talk with foreign friends and learn more about different cultures. English also helps me watch movies, listen to English songs without subtitles. I can understand my favorite singers and learn from many useful videos in English on the internet. I like to travel around the world, so when I travel or meet new people, English helps me communicate and understand them more easily. If you can speak English well, you will have more opportunities in your work and can make a better life. Good luck and never give up. Leave a comment and tell me why you are learning English. I'll see you in the next video. Color. Hello everyone, today I want to talk about colors. Are you ready? There are many beautiful colors in the world such as blue, green, yellow, black and white. When I was a teenager, I liked green color because it made me feel fresh and close to nature. Green is always the color of grass and tree. But now, I don't like green anymore, I prefer black and white. Black and white are basic colors, but they are also very beautiful. When I choose these two colors, I feel I look better. Although they are simple, they can match with anything. I think black and white always make me look good and modern. Yellow is a bright color, it reminds me of the sunrise and sunset, it makes me feel happy and relaxed. Colors make our world beautiful and more exciting. Good luck, and never give up. Leave a comment and tell me which color do you like. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.